Deep breath in. Back out. Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go big breath again. Good job.
All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Same thing, other side.
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. Oh, nice. That was very good. Go face up for me. That was locked up.
So we're gonna start right in through here. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and let it all the way out. I'm gonna push right through here and you might feel it here, a little crack or pop. Good. Awesome. Now I'm gonna come right up here and I'm going to put my hand here and I'm gonna turn your head just a little bit to the left. And again, you might feel it here, that crack or pop. Good. Good. Perfect. Let's go face up on the table. I'm gonna start down here. I'm gonna bring your head over to the left and then we're gonna turn just a little bit to the right. I'm gonna put some extra pressure right through here. And you might feel it here, that crack or pop. Relax that neck. There we go. Right. Go to the left, actually. And we're going to go back to the right, a bit higher up here. And take a deep breath in and let it all the way out. There we go.
You're welcome. Oh. Ah! Oh. Jump your shoulder. Ow! Big deep breath. Let it out.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice. You okay? Yeah. Same thing, other side. All the way out. Beautiful. That was awesome. Relax for me. Beautiful. Awesome. One more. Man, he's just so tight. Everything's just going down.
Nope. Good. Let's go again. Big breath. One more time.
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. That feel okay?
I feel great.
Good. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just going to tip your head over to the left side, have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Really great movement out of that joint. That feel okay?
Felt great.
Same thing on the left over here.
Yeah.
6
And
months
you're
pregnant,
still
got
kicking
it.
too.
Ah.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. Okay, so keep your teeth together for me, and nice deep breath. Yes, there you go. Nice and smooth. There it is. Yeah. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my god.
Perfect. Brooke's like Renee. She's crackalicious. Go ahead and get in close on this, Joseph, because this will make a lot of noise. There we go. Good.
4 weeks of mows.
Okay, here we go. Look at that, falling in place. Good girl. Let it all out and relax. I'm just going to put some easy traction. There you go, better. You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And yes, she is still kicking. Go ahead and leave your head back there. Good. So we're going to do a Palmer diversified cervical rotary adjustment on her cervical spine.
Relax here for me. Relax here. Very good. Very good movement. Okay. Relax here. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Okay. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, very good.
Okay, nice deep breath in. Excellent. Yep. I got you. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Okay, so let's see. Yep, that's good. Yep. There we go. There's the right one. Yeah, there's the left one. Not quite as loud as the right one, but moves.
And then take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. And just relax. Okay. Relax. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to do the pelvic adjustment now. Breathe in for me. Breathe out. Good. That's it. On your other side. Okay, breathe in again. And out. Good. That's it. On your back. The cervicals there. It's nice and relaxed for me. That's it. Just a little one on this left side. Okay, just wiggle your toes. That's it. One pops in before the adjustment.
Right inside there. I want to relax just a bit. A little bit more. Good. Perfect. That's it. Just relax just a little bit. No, let it go. Let those muscles go. A little bit more.
You already went. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now, uno más. Bueno. That was pretty easy to Yeah. That was the big one. Now siéntate, sit up.
Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, good. Relax. Okay, so there's a little bit here as well.
Good. And we'll start there on that right side. So I'm going to tip you over, just right ear to your shoulder. Look up this way just a bit. Good job. And we'll get one more on the left here. I want you to tip this left ear over to your shoulder and look up this way just a bit. Really good. Big breath from you. And exhale. I'm going to follow your breath right down. Good. Really good. Yep. And out. I'm going to follow you down here. And good release. Really good. So big breath in and And out. Good job again.
You alright?
Yep.
If you can, try and just stay seated in the chair. You don't sort of jump forward.
Oh my gosh.
Good girl.
All through my arm.
That was good.
Yep, that was all. I can feel it.
Yeah. That's causing a lot of nerve pressure.
Oh my god.
Ein bisschen frei hängt. Gib mir einfach das Gewicht vom Kopf. Das versuche ich selber zu halten. Okay. Ich drehe erstmal, um zu gucken, wie weit du kannst. Oh, weit. Da ist schon was, ne? Okay.
Neutral, and then a small lift in that direction. Just holding it for a second. Yeah, that one's all good.
Shouldering from way underneath here all the way around. Shoulders down. Bring this arm up. I'm going to have you roll over towards your right. Slide to the right. Get your shoulders down. Like that. It's okay? The second one, we're going to roll to the left and towards the right. Good. A little further. And then that's it. Now let your head drop. Good.
75?
77.
77? You sound 77, doesn't it? Good. Okay. Good, nice. You back? Good.
Oh yeah, boy, that was a home run. That's what I call it, the ring dinger, RD. Yep, good job, you're still kicking. Excellent. Boy, oh boy.
Let me adjust her neck laying down.
A little bit of a tender spot there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, start there. So tip this right ear over to your shoulder. Good. And we'll go one more time. Awesome. And out. And we're gonna go one more time here. Big breath in. And out. Good job.
What I'm doing is just pre-tensing him. I'm just waiting for him to kind of give me the opportunity to relax so I can get that adjustment like that. Already starting to pop on this side. This side's not nearly as tight as the other side was. Good.